Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another session of data structures and algorithms using C++. My name is Dr. Bilal Wajid, and today we're going to talk about pointer comparisons. Now, pointers can be compared to one another using the greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to operators, provided they are related to one another. So consider the following code. The first command declares and initializes an array of three integers, 50, 60, and 70. When you do that within the memory, you have three elements, 50, 60, and 70, which are stacked on top of one another because it's an array. And let's assume the first one has the address 100, the second one 104, and the third one 108. Remember, because these are integer type and one integer consumes 4 bytes, so this guy is actually present in address location 100, 101, 102, 103. So that's 4 bytes. The first address is 100. Then you declare a pointer array and you assign it marks. In other words, what you're doing is you're declaring a pointer, and the address stored within the pointer is pointing to the first location of the array. Over here it's marked 0x100. The 0x only shows that it is a hexagonal number. Hexadecimal, number. So if you really want to print these elements in the array, all you do is you compare, right? Related pointers can be compared. You compare the pointer array with the last location of the array. In other words, the address of the last location of the array. So you're allowing this loop to continue as long as this pointer is less than equal to the address of the last location. So both elements are related to one another because they refer to the same array. So as an example, look at this one, right? Here it is really not a good idea to compare pointers which are totally unrelated. So for instance, this is the previous example that you saw, that within the memory there's an array 50, 60, and 100 and addresses 100, 104, 108. Now this is an entirely different array. In fact, it's not only different, but it also has a different data type, right? So here is a different array value containing two elements, 77 and 78, shown in the example here, where the first location is presumably 7800 and the next element is present at 7808. In other words, just 8 bytes away. And the reason it's 8 bytes away is because it is of the data type double. And the pointer actually points to the first location of the value array. So it contains the address 0x7800. Notice 7800 is the same as the address of the first location. Now if you try to compare this guy, which is pointing at a completely different array, to this guy, which is pointing at a completely different array, well, not a very good idea, and this should be avoided. So remember, pointers that are related can be compared, but pointers which are not related, their comparison just doesn't make any sense. Hence this large red cross. Thank you very much. I would recommend now that you hit the bell icon to be notified whenever new videos get uploaded. Until next time, bye-bye.